Passing through Asaba has become a serious nightmare for so many commuters who are finding their way to Benin or even to Lagos. Yes, vice versa. Whether you're coming from Lagos towards the east or you're leaving the east towards Lagos or Benin, it's a serious nightmare now once we approach Asaba. Let's forget the Benin story. That one is a story for another day. Of course, we all know the state of the Benin boundary, either entry or exiting Benin going towards Owerri. But for today, I'm surprised that Asaba has fast become such nightmare, just like we are scared of Benin as well. Yes, on today's drive, we decide to avoid the express, all because of the terrible state of the express. Even before you approach Coca Junction and even after Coca Junction, the road is extremely bad. Today, we decide to say, okay, let's check out another route, being the old road, and see how we can connect back to the express to see the current state of the road. Guys, I'm still not impressed because during the regime of Governor Kowa, people say he's the road master. And of a truth, I did quite a lot of video regarding Delta State as at then, and I'm pleased to say there were quite a number of good roads. But what has happened to our road? The roads are failing. I'm quite surprised, and I think this is just a video to call out this current administration. At least palliative work should be done on these specific routes that are bad, so that commuters will be happy passing through your state. For those who are joining us for the first time, you're welcome to Arlin TV. We are your favorite travel family. And as for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel and for always supporting us. Do well to give us your thoughts at the end of this video. And if you are from Delta State, do well to leave your comment and tell us if you are impressed with the state of the road. For as many of you who are watching for the first time or who are not even Nigeria, just to bring it up to speed, Asaba is the capital city for Delta State, Nigeria. Yes, that is where we are currently, but we are currently just along the old road now, trying to navigate through Asaba. And to show you guys how Asaba is, and also for commuters who might see this can also be an alternative route if you don't want to waste so much time along the expressway. Yes, this has become the route. For me, I've gone to Benin twice now, and I believed this route is the fastest. The only time I tried using the other road was when I was returning back. Being that it was Sunday, I felt okay, we could just pass through very fast. This is Sunday, people are still in church, but then we still got stopped just after Coca Junction. The road is bad, I must tell you for free. The road is bad, especially the express. At least there are quite a number of movements along this old part, even though yeah, there are a few bad spots here and there, but at least you are seeing the movement. Your car is moving, the traffic is moving, and all of that. So at least that's something to just be excited about, no matter how the movement is. So for me, I think this is a better route to use if you're a public transport person flying this road to Lagos. I think this is a better route to use when going to Lagos or going to Benin. So the people of Asaba who are based here, I would love to know your thoughts about this in the comment section. So just so you know, we are currently riding along the Nebisi Road where the Asaba where the Stephen Keshi Stadium is located, and where the FMC Federal Medical Center is also located. You know, Nebisi Road is one of the most prominent road in Asaba. Yeah, if you have watched our previous videos on Asaba, you know that we can't do a drive through Asaba without telling you or driving through Nebisi Road. Yeah, that is like it's an impossible trip, you know. As you can see, we are currently along Nebisi Road, like I said, and just so you know, you can see that water is lodging along the road. That goes to show that the drainage system are all blocked. Yeah, the drainage system are all blocked, and which is contributing to why the roads are getting damaged. Our camera ran down at the entrance into Asaba. Once you exit the flyover, trying to navigate into this old road, I mean, who are familiar with that part, that place is bad and is highly waterlogged. We could not capture it because our camera was down. We tried to charge a little so we could give you guys a view of this. So we're going to be checking it up down till we get to ShopRite axis to just see how the state of the road is going towards that direction along this Nebisi Road. And of course, as you know, Nebisi Road leads us to other parts of town, the Okpanam Road and the likes of others. So just like this spot we are currently riding on now, you can see that it's bad. and there's a traffic light there. So you can imagine the time lag. Your traffic light will say go, you have to struggle to cross through. Before you cross through, the light has gone off, and those boys are just by the corner to harass you because you have beat the traffic. So a lot of things are happening within that axis. Like I always say, even in my Enugu videos, where traffic lights are located, I advocate let the road be good, so that when the traffic lights say go, people can move faster and they won't get to be stuck on those bad spots, so that those boys don't get to harass people. Just my humble opinion anyway. So you can help me share the video so that those in charge of Asaba or the government in charge could actually see it and just fix some of this minor road. Believe you me, if commuters are aware that this internal road is better, I believe they'll be using it better than that other route. I don't even know why the government is not even doing some palliative work on it. And just like I mentioned earlier, you can still see water hovering around the whole place along this in the ABC road. So the drainage system is blocked. If they need to do a proper sanitation, let them do, just like we experienced some time ago in Aba when the new government came on board. There was a mass cleaning, mass clearing of dirt away from the state. So if that needs to happen in Asaba, I think it is highly welcome. So pretty soon we'll be passing the Stephen Keshi Stadium, just to show you guys a view. There's a traffic light again in front, and the spot to exit the traffic light is also bad. So those are some of the concerns I just have, and the drainage system, serious work needs to be done regarding that. So my people of Asaba, how are you guys faring? How will you judge your current governor? I know a lot of work is going on in Warri, and I'm anticipating visiting Warri very soon, just to give you guys a view of what Warri is and the project is currently handling. You know, we'll be visiting Warri pretty soon to give you guys that update. But for Asaba, I think being the capital city, it needs to look good. I know there are other parts of Asaba which people don't really know exist. We'll bring that video to you in another series. That area is pretty cool, pretty fine. So I won't just say all things bad about Asaba, but Asaba has some very cool and beautiful side to it. So I'm going to be sharing that video as well about that beautiful side of Asaba. So if you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button so you don't get to miss any awesome videos we are uploading. For as many who don't know the before of this road or this part we are passing, or even the express I talked about, you can go check our Asaba catalog just to give you guys an overview of what these areas used to be, and how we don't get to experience some of these bad roads. Again, you know, in one of my videos I did driving through from Uyo down to Umuahia, I mentioned that one of the major reasons, or one of the factors I think causes a lot of bad spots on the road, is presence of sand. I know Asaba used to clean every morning. I don't know if that has stopped. So if you're in Asaba, let me know if that is still going on. But I can see quite a lot of sand on the road. Yes, I think that's one thing I should commend Enugu for. I think they do their cleaning every day. They ensure they sweep, pack the sands, and just keep it going. You know, I can see a lot of sand along the road. So I don't know if the cleaning has stopped in Asaba, or they don't get to sweep every morning again. I don't know. So those ways in Asaba, just let me know. You know, I mentioned earlier we'll be passing through the Stephen Keshi Stadium. That's the stadium just by our right hand side over there. We did a general tour of this Stephen Keshi Stadium. Check our Asaba series for a detailed tour of this Stephen Keshi Stadium. Yeah, very iconic stadium, I must tell you. So you can go check it out and just drop your own review regarding the stadium. And if you've the opportunity to play football there, let us know. So we'll continue our ride now. Like I said, we'll take the drive down towards ShopRite axis of that Okpanam Road to just give you guys a view of that area as well. So this area after Stephen Keshi Stadium looks quite good. Before you get to FMC, you get to roundabout. So I think they are quite cool around here. There's no much potholes to spot out except those drainage system signs you see at the middle, which I think they are deepening down. I don't know why. So drivers tend to avoid it so they don't just jump into it. It might open up. So that's just it, guys. So keep the drive going. Like I said, we have lots of content regarding Asaba that you can check out and anticipate our video on the side of Asaba you don't know existed. In fact, when I even saw the area, I was quite surprised that, I've been filming Asaba for years. I didn't even know this other side has developed like this in Asaba, you know. So we bring in all of those content to you as we go on this ride, and that's why you need to be our subscribers. So for me, I think Asaba is a cool town to live. Proximity to Onitsha, you can easily go and do your shopping, get all what you want from Onitsha and all of that. So it's a very cool town to live, and life is happening there, quite bubbling, I must tell you, and business are thriving also in Asaba. Yeah, businesses are thriving also. Like I used to say that Asaba should be the extension of Onitsha. So by proxy, so people should start establishing some certain kind of business in Onitsha, so that those who don't want to cross over to Onitsha can actually stop in Asaba and get some certain stuffs that they are looking for. So the people of Delta State, do well to rep in the comment section. Let me know you are from Delta State and tell me the area you are from. And like I said before, we'll be visiting Owerri pretty soon. So if you would love to connect with us, also do let us know. And we are also in other platforms. So if you have not followed us in other platforms, you can as well do. We drop content like this and even many more on those platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. We are there, so you can just follow us at Arlin TV. So we sure be there. So this is the very famous flyover or bridge, should I call it? It's a flyover, yeah, flyover that is well designed during the Ember period in Asaba. So we are looking forward to what they have to do this December period again. So if you have followed us till now and enjoyed the ride, do well to click the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber. And for returning subscribers, as always, we do appreciate and love your support for our channel. And for returning subscribers, we thank you. So we look forward to your comments. We look forward to your review regarding this Asaba drive in the comment section. Like I told you, we're already connecting back to the express to continue our journey to Benin. So if you're a commuter driver and you saw this, do well to let us know in the comment section, and if you will be trying out this route. Catch you in our next video. Bye.